Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best rotary tools for crafting, DIY projects, and professional tasks. Whether you're sanding, carving, cutting, or polishing, these versatile tools offer precision and power to handle a variety of jobs. We'll review the top models, their standout features, and why they're a must-have for your toolkit. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to elevate your projects with the perfect rotary tool, let's get started. Number 5. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill Rotary Tool. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a crafting hobbyist, the ARROWMAX SDS Ultra Mini Electric Drill is a game-changer. Combining versatility, power, and convenience in a sleek, portable package, this rotary tool sets a new standard for small-scale drilling tasks. Portable and lightweight design. Say goodbye to bulky tools. The SDS Ultra is designed to fit seamlessly into your creative lifestyle. Its compact size and feather-light construction mean you can take it anywhere, whether tackling projects at home, in a workshop, or even outdoors. Precision drilling at your fingertips. What sets this tool apart is its adjustable RPM, reaching up to 900 RPM. This feature ensures precise drilling across a range of materials like wood, plastic, aluminum, and more. Fine-tune the speed to your needs and enjoy smooth, accurate results every time. Number 4. HILDA Electric Drill Grinder Rotary Tool. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile rotary tool, the HILDA Electric Drill Grinder is here to elevate your DIY game. Whether you're carving, grinding, sharpening, cutting, or cleaning, this compact yet powerful tool delivers professional-grade results in a user-friendly package. Performance that packs a punch. With a 130W motor and a no-load speed of 10,000 RPM, the HILDA Mini Drill is built to handle a wide range of applications effortlessly. From intricate engraving to heavy-duty grinding, its high torque of 55 N/M ensures precision and power, no matter the task. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, tailored for woodworking and home DIY projects, this electric rotary tool is the perfect companion for creative and practical tasks alike. Its max drilling diameter of 3.2 millimeters and compatibility with a variety of attachments make it ideal for hobbyists and professionals. Multifunctional capabilities. The HILDA electric drill isn't just a tool, it's a complete solution. Use it for carving intricate designs into wood, metal, or plastic. Number 3. Dremel 3000 Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 3000 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit is a versatile powerhouse designed to meet the needs of DIYers, crafters, and hobbyists alike. Packed with features and accessories, this corded rotary tool is your go-to device for precision work, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Powerful performance for every task. Equipped with a high-performance 1.2 amp motor, the Dremel 3000 delivers consistent power and performance across a variety of applications. From cutting and sanding to grinding and polishing, its reliable motor ensures seamless operation. Customizable speed control. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, you have complete control over the tool's power output. Whether you're engraving delicate designs or cutting through tougher materials, this rotary tool adapts to your needs with ease. Innovative cooling system. The Dremel 3000 features an innovative airflow system that reduces heat buildup, ensuring cooler, quieter, and smoother operation. Number 2. Milwaukee Cordless Rotary Tool. The Milwaukee 12.0V Cordless Rotary Tool is a compact yet robust solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance in a lightweight design. Built with Milwaukee's signature durability and innovation, this tool is a must-have for your toolkit. Unmatched power and performance. Driven by a powerful motor, the Milwaukee Cordless Rotary Tool delivers superior performance under load. Whether you're cutting, grinding, polishing, or sanding, this tool provides the power needed for efficient and precise results. Cordless convenience. Powered by a 12V cordless system, this rotary tool offers unmatched portability and flexibility. Number 1. Dremel Light 7760 rotary tool for light-duty crafting and DIY projects. The Dremel Light 7760 N/10 is a versatile rotary tool designed to make your creative tasks effortless. With its compact, cordless design and user-friendly features, it's the ultimate solution for beginners and hobbyists seeking precision and control, versatility for every project. From woodworking and carpentry to polishing and engraving, the Dremel Light is your multipurpose tool for a variety of light-duty tasks. While it's not suited for cutting, drilling, or routing, its performance in sanding, engraving, and polishing makes it an essential tool for crafting enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.